In this video, we're going to show you how to install mod packs on Minecraft. So, as you can see here, we are using CurseForge. This is the easiest way. If you're not using CurseForge, you're just hurting yourself pretty much. So install CurseForge, log in, very straightforward process, and you're gonna be shown this this screen here. Choose a game: Minecraft, Stardew Valley, Sims 4, and WoW. And of course, you need Minecraft. And as you can see here, these are the so far 4 mod packs that we have installed right now. But for example, you want to see me download, right? So click on browse, right? And as you can see here, it's automatic on mod pack, because most of the time it's going to be all by default. But since I look for mod packs every time, it's gotten used to me. So as you can see here, the Pixelmon mod pack, as you can see here, this is a different Pixelmon mod pack, right? So it's very easy. If you want to install, for example, let's install Fury Nightfall. Very easy, just click that and it's gonna install, right? It's gonna take a few minutes or longer if your internet is bad. As you can see here, while that's waiting, right? For example, as you can see here, copying overrides, I click on Pixelmon, so it's gonna open this, as you can see here, and click single player, click new world. This is my current game, new game. I haven't played that much because I've been busy. And let's wait for the world to load up. All right, as you can see, we are in Pixelmon. This is one of the countless nurse joys, and as you can see, these are NPCs that you could, the ones with a apostrophe is you can get quests from them. And if you go to my as you can see, my inventory, there's a lot of items that I've already had, and I only have 2 Pokemon. I have Frogadier, my starter Froakie, and I have a Trapinch at level 13. So this is a pretty new gameplay that I haven't played in like almost a month, right? I need to get these A stacks because I need food, even though I have a lot of food. So anyway, going back to CurseForge, as you can see, depending on what type of mod pack, like this one, Nightfall, has 221 mods. So I'm at 33 mods installed so far, 34 out of 221. So this is gonna take a bit, even though I already have a really fast internet. I have, I have fiber, so so once you're done, it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be like these mod packs. You can just click play, and it's gonna, let's turn this off. Let's save and quit. Quit that. For example, let's click on Better Minecraft, right? Minecraft is already running. There's an instance of Minecraft. Okay, so let's. Okay. There you go. It's still the same loader as everybody else's, and yeah. So let's just wait for it to load. And again, you just click play, right? You just click play, and you'll be fine. As you can see, you're still downloading. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next one.